slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. Hey, I'm all in the metaverse. I'm digital travel the universe. I look at the price and the dripping is going up. Send the whole crew alert. Crypto, we go berserk. You witness a certified bull run. 60 to 70, 80 to 90, and 30 days we getting full service. Check out my stash. I don't do cash, only do Metamask. Went to the Hamptons, I'm up in virtual, man, and we had a blast. Look at the way that I'm dripping saucy. Checking my jewelry game is frosty. She love the way that I'm driving flossing. KingPachino bouncing. Compound interest, ain't nothing suspicious. If you ain't dripping, then you must be slipping. Ain't paying no attention. Crypto game took it to the top. Don't drip by the dip when the value drop. Blockchain boys, y'all made it hot. Talk crypto now when we on the block. Dip. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. You catch me, I'm buying the deal. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. Buy the deal. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. You catch me, I'm buying the deal. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. If you ain't dripping, you slipping. Don't trip, buy the deal. Don't trip, buy the deal, Don't trip, buy the deal. Don't trip, buy the deal, You know, for sure. We on crypto. So don't trip, buy the deal, Don't trip, buy the deal, Yes, sir.
Could you play that song for me?
Hey.
It's my favorite song.
Come on. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Hey. Say it. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? KingPachino, I'm back. What's up, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. It's your boy, Mr. KingPachino, aka Mr. King Crypto, and welcome to the Crypto Millionaire channel. Make sure that you like, subscribe, click that notification bell button so you get all the notifications anytime I drop, because you know when I drop them bangers. You already know, guys. So let's dive into this drip. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. I am simply documenting my journey on the largest wealth transfer in the 21st century. So make sure anytime that you decide to invest that you always do your own due diligence and only invest risk capital. So where we at with drip, guys? I don't know who caught the dip. Right now, we're about $5.17, so we're above that $5 mark. But I know that we were somewhere in the $4 range or so, somewhere in between the 4 and 5. So if you caught that dip, congratulations. We're at 5.17 right now, guys. And so let's see where I'm at, guys. You know, I got to report to you guys, let you know right off the top. Don't forget, guys, if you're looking to work from home, if you need some extra part-time money, you're in the U.S., California, New York does not apply, in a few other states, but most states we can hire in, guys, get you some extra part-time money. You can take that extra money and invest into your crypto portfolio. If you're interested, let me know. We do also have a virtual call center, guys, also in the metaverse that you can role play while working from home, guys. Get that real-time money. Holla at your boy. I got the plugs for you. Now, let's keep that going, guys. So right now we're at 5.17. Let's look at the faucet real quick here. Woo! Faucet right now, guys, we're looking good. I'm at 33.03 right now in the deposit, guys. $172.91 today, as you can see. Right, let's see what this looks like. Let me go to my calculator here real quick, right? Let me go to my calculator, man. We got a new update, guys. We got a new update on this thing here, right? We got a new update, right? You got an iPhone, they got a new update. Did y'all get the new update? Let me know. We're going to multiply this number times 365%. Woo! $631. Let's go, baby. Minus 172. What did it do? You been watch me make over 459 today. And see, and that's something that you got to really think about, guys. When you're at 365%, you know, it is, you're managing your risk, right? It's like, man, you want to know, okay, well, if drip is around a year from now and you're earning 365%, you say, okay, is the price of the coin going to be the same? If so, you're going to earn 365% on that investment. If it's higher, you're going to make more. If it's less, you're going to make less. But the idea is if the protocol is around and as long as you don't lose 365% in a year, you'll be up. So that's something to really think about. And before we do this, guys, let's just slide on over here to Drip. Let's go to the Drip. DripNetwork.ca. 211 players today. This is information that I always try to look at. Look at how many people are coming into Drip. Because it's pretty cool to see 211 people come in today. This month, 6,183 people. Man, wow. Wow. Wow, guys. So we have over 124,000 players in the faucet right now. Over 304,000 hydrations. Over 148,000 claims. And over 81,000 drip deposits. So that's pretty cool as well too to check out. So it's looking like we're getting some good movement. Let's go look at some of the projections real quick. $515.15 based on current price right now. Let's look and see what we're looking at right now. So it's saying by this time next year, 290 days, we're looking at about $300 a month based on where current price is, right? I mean, $300 a day times current price. That's August of 23. Let's say $300 a day times 365 days. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Look at this. Let's break it down for the day. $300 a day. Hold on. $300 a day times 30 days. Oh, hold on. $330 a day times 30 days. Oh, wait, it was 300, right? 300 times 30. Like 9,000 a month, guys. 9,000 a month, baby. By this time, by August of next year. That's pretty strong. That's based on current price. You know, price can change, guys. Will the price be the same? We don't know. Will the price be more? We don't know. Will the price be less? We don't know. But we do know that Einstein said it best. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it will earn from it. Those who don't will pay it, right? Let's take a look and see what another 100 days look like real quick here. Let me go ahead and swipe on down here. Turn this on to do not disturb so I don't get a lot of notifications. Let's look at 100 days from now. 100 days now, guys, somewhere around February the 8th. So we're approaching, guys, the first of the year. Let's do 90 days, see where we're at. Yeah, less than 90 days, guys. Let's see. 85. I like to do stuff around my birthday. Let me see where we're at. 75, maybe. Yeah, 76, 75. So in exactly 75 days, guys, January the 14th. Your boy birthday. You already know what time it is, baby. Stop playing. Let's go. We'll take it. We're going to keep on dripping, never slipping. We're just going to keep on riding this thing, right? So based on compound interest, it says $49.30 a day. It's almost $50 a day. Right? Times 30 days. About $1,400. Close to $1,500 a month. And drip based on current price. Right? But it's all good, baby. You know what I'm saying? But you look how powerful that is, though, going by the first of the year. And then 8 months later, you know, by August of next year, guys, we're talking about going from $1,400, from what, almost $50 a day to about $300 a day. So this is why the compound interest just takes time. You got to have the discipline to just, you know, just stay at it. And let the compound interest does its job. Now, of course, you know, it all depends on what's going to go on with drip and what drip current price will be, you know, but yeah. Oh, and another thing it'll also do, it should tell you how much drip you will have as well, too. See, it'll show you day 75, I should have 1.181 drip. So I'll be over 1,000 drip in my deposit by my birthday. So I'll hit over 1K, you know, somewhere around the first of the year to get my first 1,000 in the deposits. So that's looking good, guys. That's looking good. Now, if I had to stretch this out and say, well, what middle of the year gonna look like? Let's go ahead and add that 75 plus another 120 days. So let's just say like 180 days, maybe. Let's see if that's the middle of the year. 180 days is April. So let's go with 200 days. Well, yeah, let's go with 200. Let's see, May. Let's go 230. Okay. I hope just my music for y'all. Because the phone, you can't really tell if it's too loud. But let me try real quick. Let me make sure that it is not too loud for y'all, because I'll be trying to get y'all right. And by June, middle of year, $175 a day. It's not bad at all. How much drip? 4,156 drip in the deposit, right? Let me go check, make sure this music not too loud. I don't think it is, but I'm gonna make sure. All right. Now, let me go ahead and go back on over here to drip so we can go and close this deal out. $173.81. You already know what time it is. Let's compound. We're gonna hydrate. I rejected the transaction. Let me try again. Hydrate. I need to see that fee. Sometimes, guys, when you get it right here and you're not able to see the fee, sometimes the hydration won't go through. Sometimes it make you have to see the fee. Let's see if it'll go through. Let's see how far I go up in the deposit. See? Little stuff you kind of learn, you know, as you go. When you back here playing with stuff, you kind of start seeing how stuff work. Let me see. Let me go back down here. You get the fee. And let me know what y'all think, guys. You know, are y'all taking any profits? Are y'all doing any claiming? You know, I haven't started really doing any claiming. I'm just kind of building my bag. Successful. Let's see what we're going to look like right now. Boom. 671.45. Let's go. On my way to 700, guys. Y'all are watching me do it. Y'all are watching. Y'all are watching 2.451 max payout. So if I want to know what that looks like, guys, all I got to do is take this number, right? Let's say, for instance, you don't want to wait to a max payout because maybe you just want to start, you know, maybe you say, you know what, let me just hit a certain number, and after that, let me just ride and collect my bread, or, you know, what your game plan is. All you got to do is take your max payout, right? Put your max payout in here, right? And then you won't be able to do it like that. You got to do it like 24.51 like this. And then what you do is you take the price of drip. I think it was like 5.18, right? Somewhere around there. It might be off a little tad or so. You don't have to be too technical. 5.19, right? You can say 5.19 equals. Oh, was it 24.51? I think it was 24.51 times 5.19. So right now, if I was just to hydrate, if I was just to claim right now every single day for the next 365 days, based on current price, I would walk away with about $12,720, which is not bad compared to what I invested, guys. Because I started this account out with a couple hundred, and I caught a couple dips along the way, but mostly just hydrate. I just been hydrating and catching some dips here and there, right? So that's the beautiful part about it. All right, let this open up. Let me go and go to the animal farm, guys. If it opens up, Metamask won't open up. Let's go, Metamask. All right, let me go to the animal farm over here. Let's say my wallet connected. There we go. $24.63 today. Gonna plant my seeds as well. I didn't check my fee. Hopefully it goes through. Let's see if it goes through. Perfect. 320,000 seeds. Perfect. Let me go and slide over here real quick, guys. Sliding over to AVAX right now. From AVAX, I'm going to go back to my browser. Slide on over here to Splassive. Splassive is at 6 cents, so it's taking a dip. It's been getting hit hard. Look. Every time somebody buy the dip, somebody come and cash out. So, but people be buy the dip like these candles here, and then somebody cash out. So we're going to keep on rocking, though. Let's go see what we looking like over here. We're going to look at the tap. Okay, I got 144.863 splash. We're going to go ahead and... Is this something that's a part of this? Hit the jackpot. That might be an advertisement. Guess maybe there. I noticed that I've been seeing advertisement. Maybe they've reached out to be able to get paid for advertisement on here. And maybe that's what they're doing as another way to bring some revenue in. We're going to go ahead and compound. Let's see what we looking like over here. Boom, 3,759.18 splash. So we just gonna continue to do that. Perfect. Got our claim right there. Max payout is 13,533 splash. Max payout is also 100,000 splash. So we'll cross that road when we get down past the first 10,000 on my way to the second set, which would be 20,000 of those splash coins in. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, so that's where I'm at, guys. So, you know, I don't hydrate every single day, guys, but when I do hydrate, I try my best to come to you guys and show you the real, the raw, and the truth. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That's my time. And like I always say, we won't see you at the top. We'll see you over the top. You want to know why? Because you're built for greatness. You're built for greatness. You're built for greatness. You're built for greatness. Say it. I'm built for greatness. I'm built for greatness. I'm built for greatness. I'm built for greatness. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone.